Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to disable vibration on your Google keyboard in your Android device. So whenever you opening the Google keyboard, typing something from your keyboard guys, so you can getting the vibration on the keyboard. If you want to disable it guys, first of all you need to open your Google keyboard like this. After opening here, you can get the settings gear icon, just tap on it. Okay, in the settings guys, go to the preferences and scroll down. Here you can get the option vibration strength on key press. Just extend this guys, and here you need to select default from here. As you can see, after this guys, just tap on okay. That's it. Now your vibration was disabled from your keyboard. So this is a very easy and very simple method to disable the vibration on your Google keyboard. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.